Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how you can easily add page in Google Docs. So now in order to add a page in Google Docs, there are two ways. You can either do a line break or you can just enter your way to the second page. So enter your way to the second page looks something like this. You press enter, 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 and so on until you get to the second page. This process is long and slow, so you can make it faster. I will show right now. So backspace to go back. And now in order to go to the next page right from here, just hold Command or Control if you are on Windows and then press enter. And like so you are on the second page. Easily you have added the second page. So now here is a line break, so you can go straight from here, right here, like so, with just your keyboard. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.